Luna? Dude! Stop! Hey guys, it's Bianca and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have done this St. Patrick's Day inspired look. I don't dip into a lot of greens. A similar look I had done yonks ago, but I feel like this is such a better green look. Yeah, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below if you enjoyed, and if you want me to do any other videos. Yeah, so please enjoy this video and have a good Patrick's Day to all those celebrating, and yeah, have fun. So I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids as well as sitting down with some powder. I used my Makeup Revolution concealer for this. Then I'm starting off with a transition shade that I wasn't too happy with. It didn't really show up on my eyelid at all. It's from the Swiitch Beauty palette. Now then I'm going straight for the green because you can't really see that orangey shade at all. And I'm just popping that on my crease as well as a little bit higher just to define it a little bit more. And yeah, taking that same green and putting it all putting it all over the lid from the outer corner straight up into the inner corner. Then I'm dipping into a deeper green and defining that crease even more. Now I'm just going to start off with cutting my crease just to make the shimmer shade I'm going to be putting on top of the lid just a little bit more pigmented. Taking my Makeup Revolution concealer and using a flat edge brush just to define my crease, and I'll add some green shimmer on later on. Taking a small flat shader brush as well, taking that green shade from the Dupe Factory Morphe Jackson Hill palette, just putting that all over where I put that concealer just to make it a little bit more vibrant. I didn't set it down with powder, so I just kept it wet so that the glitter sticks onto it better and it turns out a lot more pigmented. I also put on a little bit of setting spray. As you can see, I was trying to keep the glitter as close as to the cut crease line as possible, so that you can see there's a definite difference between where I put the matte and the shimmer. Now to add a little bit more definition, I'm taking a brown from the Swiitch Beauty Slaysfordays palette and just adding that to the outer V, and also cleaning up the green where I blended it a little bit too much. The joys of wet wipes, I'll tell you. So I'm just putting that brown on the outer V. I didn't want to use black, just didn't want to make it too intense, so I just opted for a dark brown to tie in with the look. Now for foundation, I'm taking my Essence Fresh and Fit, putting that all over my face using my Real Techniques blender, and then also setting it down with powder. Then to conceal underneath my eyes as well as highlight, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, I think it's the shade C3, and using my mini blender just to blend underneath my eyes as well as clean up any edges from my concealer and eyeshadow. Then just setting it down with some loose powder. Apologize if my background is a bit noisy. My family is about, and my door has like little slots in it, so I can practically hear everything that goes on in the house. I'm just taking my Essence Strobing and Contouring palette. I'm just taking that middle deep shade just to do some harsh contouring. Love this for that subtle but really snatched look. Now for blush, I'm taking my Clinique blush. I think it's in the shade Royal Plum or something like that. Then back to that dark green, I'm taking that dark green on a shader brush and just putting that underneath my lash line, and then also making sure to blend in. Now for highlights, I'm taking my Swiitch Beauty Glowgasm. I promise this isn't sponsored, by the way. I'm just taking that along my top of my brow bone. I mean cheekbone, cupid's bow in a corner, on my nose, tip of my nose, and also on my brow bone. Oh, by the way, I added some lashes and mascara. Lashes are in the Style with Speed 2 from Eyelash Boutique. By the way guys, my nails, I have had them recently done as well. They are from the same gorgeous place called Body Wonder Studio. I will link all of his stuff down below if you guys are interested to get your nails done. Then I'm just adding some brow gel from Catrice. I'm just making them look a lot more fluffier and more defined. Then I'm taking my Swiitch Beauty, oh god, I didn't realize I used so much of their products. I'm taking a nude shade from their Ultimate Matte Palette as well. Anyway, oh shit, I hope you guys enjoyed my St. Paddy's inspired look. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm nearly at 300 and I'm so excited. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!